you've got Vikings fans.
700 OPS right now. So his first month through July 5th, he hit 318, then 892 OPS. Ever since
nothing.
Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
That the feeling was that was one of the precursors to it becoming what it, has now has.
Shot in an intramural basketball game when I was a college professor, and some 19-year-old kid flattened me.
Yeah. But your scaphoid bone, which, by the way,
This is not the home run park. Cincinnati is the home run park. It's got the highest home run park factor this year, 32% above average. For the last 5 years, 1,020.
It's gonna melt your face off.
What's your name? Who's your daddy?